Hi guys, ¿cómo estás? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys my summer makeup routine. Summer is here and I plan on keeping my makeup very minimalistic, but keep it on nice and perfect all day long. And I'm going to show you guys what I do to achieve that. So without dragging this intro out forever and a day, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I already moisturized my skin and did my brows. For my brows, I did my usual Benefit Precisely My Brow in shade 4.5. And then for the moisturizer, I use the Peter Thomas Roth Hyaluronic Cloud Moisturizer. And next, I'm going to go in with a setting spray first. So the reason for this is to kind of like lock in or like mattify my skin before I put everything on top. And this helps my makeup last longer. So I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Matte Finishing Spray. I'm just gonna spritz that on my skin. Next, I'm gonna go in with my, what I call my two quote-unquote primers. So they're not actually primers, but they're very good at helping me achieve the look that I'm going for, and it also helps me achieve long-lasting makeup results. So first, I'm gonna go in with the Pacifica Glow Baby Booster Serum, and what this does, it helps with keeping my skin glowy while wearing my makeup underneath. And it also has some skin benefits as well, but I don't really use it more so for the skin benefits. I use it more so for the finish that it helps my overall makeup looks. So next is my holy grail product, and that is the Pacifica Pore Warrior Booster Serum. As you can tell, like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've literally used like almost all of this bottle. I have like a third of it left, and I'm definitely gonna restock on this. But what this specifically does for me and just my skin and makeup, it helps my makeup last super long. I have combination oily skin, and this just helps keep my oiliness in check, which is one of the reasons why, as you can tell, I'm putting it on specifically in my T-zone. It has niacinamide in it, which is a good anti-aging ingredient. Products, honestly, you can use it for multiple different things. You can mix it in with your foundation, you can mix it in with your moisturizer. Like, honestly, if you're looking for a good combo or just one good product, especially if you have oily skin, to help your makeup last longer without having to use like powder, these crazy silicone like thick primers, then this is the way to go. The Pore Warrior by Pacifica, my all-time favorite product. After you have your primers and everything set, going back in using your matte setting spray. So again, I'm using the Wet n Wild Finish Spray, and I'm just gonna spritz again. And again, by doing this, it really helps lock in those products and also helps with keeping that natural matte finish or that natural finish, whatever finish that you're looking for a longer period of time. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Camo CC Cream. You guys know all about this foundation. If you don't, then definitely check out my video of me reviewing this product. But this has an SPF of 30, a broad spectrum SPF of 30. And I'm just going to take one pump of this. I'm just gonna start in the center of my face and just work my way out. And I just want to put this foundation where I feel like I need it. And with most people, foundation, usually you want to put it in the center of your face because that's usually where you need the most coverage. And I'm doing like a very light layer, blending this out so that I'm not caking on foundation, because you can get more fuller coverage by pinpointing where you want the coverage without using a ton of foundation. And this and the end result is gonna make your makeup last longer. It's also going to give you a more natural finish and not look cakey. All right, so the 1 pump of this foundation that I used, I only used half of the amount because I'm gonna go back into it later. But for now, I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna go in with the Juvias Place I Am Match Concealer, and I'm using the shade 11. But with the Juvias Place Concealer, I'm literally just gonna put some of this on the back of my hand because this is a super full coverage concealer in my opinion. I'm just going to use the tools that the universe gave me, which are my fingers, and I'm just going to go in with a tiny bit of that concealer and just go and press that under my eyes just to give a little bit of brightness. And as you can tell, even this little bit of this concealer, it's like the coverage is definitely there. But the biggest reason why I'm tapping it out with my fingers versus using a brush is because my finger is going to warm up the product against my skin, and it's going to help blend and give it a more natural look. So now that my concealer is on and my under eyes are brightened, I'm going to go back in with the other half of that 1 pump of foundation that I used, and I'm just going to take it all over the brush. And I'm just literally gonna go back in and just go over my whole face with this 1/2 a pump of product that's left. The reason why I like doing this is just taking care of any spots that I may have missed out on, and also just kind of like make sure everything is nicely melded and blended together, specifically the concealer. All right, so as a final touch on the skin, I'm gonna go in again with the matte setting spray and just sealing the deal on everything involving my foundation. All right guys, so I went ahead and did the rest of my makeup off of camera. All I did was, for the eyes, I used the NYX Ultimate Edit palette. This is the warm neutrals. I just went in and used these 2 shades on my lid, and I used a mixture of these 2 shades on my lower lash line. For mascara, I used the NYX On The Rise Volumizing Mascara. Really good mascara. Really helps separate without clumping. And then for the lips, my favorite product that I've been using and obsessed with, this is the Burts Bees Squeezy Tinted Lip Balm. I literally just take this on a brush and just put it on the center of my lips and just to kind of give that nice tinted red, almost like fresh hydrated lip tint look. Alright guys, gracias. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little summertime tutorial. I hope you learned some tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I will catch you guys later in my next video. Adios.